Doesn't moving suck? It's exhausting, stressful, and expensive. I know, in the last 5 years, I've moved 7 times. That's why I'm introducing a brand new client feature. If you buy or sell a house with me in the greater Sacramento area, you can use my truck and trailer absolutely free. I'm so confident that moving absolutely sucks, I'm willing to help you solve that problem. That guy's kind of handsome. So if you're moving anywhere in the greater Sacramento area, I'll spend a day to help you load the truck and trailer, drive it to your new home, and help you unload it. All I ask is that you invite some friends to help us move and tell them who your favorite realtor is. And maybe buy me a pizza, because I get hungry. We can get all the big stuff knocked out so you don't have to rent a moving truck. I've got a moving dolly, moving blankets, and all the tie downs to keep your stuff secure. The trailer itself is watertight, and unlike a U-Haul with a skinny ramp, my trailer ramp is wide, thick, and low to the ground. So save some money and the headache the next time you're buying or selling a house in Sacramento and skip the moving truck. So let's make moving suck less, together.